Okay, this red graph here is the graph of the implicitly defined relation given here. And we're told that the graph of that equation goes to the point 1, comma 1. So that means we could find C if we wanted to. If we put 1 in for x, 1 in for y, we do get that C equals 4 plus the sine of 1. It's immaterial to this problem, but it helps to draw the graph of the tangent line. Here's the tangent line right here. How do we find the slope of that line? Well, we have to implicitly find the derivative of this function, which the derivative of x squared is 2x. The derivative of the sine of anything is the cosine of the anything. But by the chain rule, we have to multiply by the derivative of the inside. So first times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first. And then the derivative of 3y is 3y prime. And of course, the derivative of this constant over here is 0. Now, we could go through the steps to actually solve for y prime, but we really want the slope at the point where x equals 1 and y equals 1. So at this point, we can just plug 1 in for x, 1 in for y, and solve for y prime. There should have been a y prime right here, which I included in the next step, but forgot it on that one. Okay, so if we distribute this cosine of 1 and then isolate the y prime, this is what we get. Y prime at the point where x is 1 and y is 1 is the, well, here's another way to write it. The opposite, the cosine of 1 plus 2 divided by the cosine of 1 plus 3. There's the slope of this tangent line right here. And it is going downhill. And the linearization of this function is actually the equation of that tangent line at the point 1, comma 1. So the slope is this number right here times x minus, I used point slope to get to this equation, y minus y sub 1 equals the slope times x minus x sub 1. Okay, and this is just another point on the graph, which is down here. You can't really see it. It's right, yeah, it's real close to 1, just 1/100th away, but it's below the tangent line. So at 1.01, the y value on the red graph will be a little bit less than 0.993. So this is a overestimate because the tangent line is above the red curve, but there's the value right there. Okay, hope that helps. If you have any questions, post a comment.